Scooby-Doo's Greatest Mysteries, March 18th at 5 p.m. on Cinetoon. Today at 9:30 p.m. on Teletoon. From February 7th to the 14th at 9 p.m. on Teletoon. Starship Troopers on Teletoon. Donkey Kong Country on Teletoon. Angela Anaconda. The Addams Family. Tonight at 8 p.m. on Teletoon. Captain Star on Teletoon. Animania. Tonight at 11:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Archie's Weird Mysteries. Today at 5:30 p.m. on Teletoon. On Teletoon. The Baskervilles. Today at 3:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Birds. Tonight at 7:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Last Dance Universe on Teletoon. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. on Teletoon. Card Captors. Premiering Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. on Teletoon. On Teletoon. Flight Squad. Tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. on Teletoon. The Real Ghostbusters. Tomorrow night at 6 p.m. on Teletoon. Johnny Bravo. Tonight at 6 p.m. on Teletoon. Tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. on Teletoon. NASCAR Racer. Tomorrow night at 6:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Watch it, Ned's New. Today at 4:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Troll 3. Tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. on Teletoon. Pippi Longstocking. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. on Teletoon. Near the Raccoon. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. on Teletoon. Animated series. Tonight at 6:30 p.m. on Teletoon. Starship Troopers. Today at 5 p.m. on Teletoon. Tomorrow at 7 a.m. on Teletoon. For Tom and Jerry Kids. Tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. on Teletoon.